Okay, Eastern Europe. And today we are doing APHET 55 challenge. I don't know why. Since they got moved up in BR, the APG might be less broken. They might be less overpowered. Laser rangefinder? Oh mama. Is this about to be fun or not? There was a guy in this smoke. Oh. He almost got away with it. They traded. No, they didn't. Another guy got him. And the enemy's capturing everything. And that's something. That's also something. That was something. This ITPSV. Oh, haha, you fool. APHE. What is that? A dia. That missile scared the hell out of me. Okay, Pizigus. Eating us alive. Of course. Let's get this tree go away. Cause I cannot. I'm not repairing. Okay, he's dead. That is a leopard. And the same X-32 is out here as well. Oh. Does he know that I'm here? Probably doesn't. Yeah, he did not. That boat is moving. Okay. Just came out of nowhere. Okay, only his driver, really. And he, with this shot, annihilates my tank. It's an eye. Oh, wow. And it's a full down rank, baby. With the AMD. And I have a helicopter inbound. And Rata. Oh, oh, ow, damn. Have an M60. That is doing something. Exposing himself. Getting blasted. By Biden blast. That guy was fast. Hit, severe damage, helicopter shot down. They should make that message a little bit shorter. I hear somebody approaching from this direction. There was somebody approaching. Where are you, Bradley? Not scared of you. I missed. He knows he can't do shit to me. especially from this range. No, nope. He really does not want. He doesn't want to challenge me. Come on, man. It's gonna be fun. Where are you going? No, I missed a chance. No, I didn't. Nice. Where did Bradley go? Probably left the party. That AML. This engine's so weird now. And where's he at? I have no idea. There are two guys up here. Hello, mister. I missed you. I'm so glad to have you back. Yeah, we're flanking. That artillery was going to cover my engine sound, but is this guy suspecting? He isn't. There's still one more. We not. That was stupid. Please reload my machine gun. Ow. That was something. Should have ESS'd. I could have had a plan in my mind, but I was too stupid. Turn freeze are just holding the capture point. Oh, that was a strange penetration. At the other side. Oh dear. There's so many of them. Can my machine gun see him? Yeah, I can, but it will do absolutely nothing. Just keep on pushing, mate. I can immobilize you for now. Oh. Suicidal? Yes. Flip. Now my barrel's gone and everybody's pushing me. Okay. Need backup, guys. Ooh, nice artillery. There's this helicopter that killed my support. And I got NB. I'm sandwiched. There's this D62 something on C. Okay. We're back up and running. What's up, Vyak? And he just ran. No, he's dead. Ooh, no. Can I? What? Oh, he cupolled me. That RCV is from behind. He sucks at this game. I wish I had darts right now. Or the AOS can get me from the other side of the map. Alright. Hello, mister. Big bombs coming. Okay, not so big. XM. Oh, that's a Roy cut. Oh dear. Keep on pushing. Good boy. Oh, that's a Brennus. Would you like to pick that? Another Raphael. He's fast. Break his transmission. Nice. Nope. Shooting heat, isn't he? Oh, fuck you. That was Ah, Pola. Yes. Not Cupola, his face. I like the look without the skirts. Yeah. I would love if Kaijin gave us ability to like remove vendors and stuff. Because on some tanks it looks absolutely beautiful. With T-55s. This thing without any of those boxes. That's a Haubitz. Haubus. Oh. A lot of damage, isn't it? He doesn't know from where it came, does he? Track. I missed him. Nice. Can I get a guy coming from behind? No, that's damn. He knew at the last second that I was coming. It was already too late. Oh, that was a murder? Only his engine? And gunner. Ooh, I know a thing. His missiles do absolutely nothing. I like doing that. I like martyrs. Oh my god, I have a missile. Well, I don't give a shit. Because I have APS. He knows what's coming. And he can't escape it. Another mother trucker. He killed that guy. Did you forget about me? Heard something else. I really did. It was a little weasel. Yeah. I love APHE. Oh, it turns out I wasn't recording. That's great. I cannot win. There's just too many of them. Ooh, so many cookies. They're all term 3s. Should not have done that. Only in driver and engine? Check this out. Nope. I thought I could go underneath, like through suspension. No. Yeah, run away, fool. You coward.